Hello everybody, Lurgs here, welcome to my channel, and today it's how to combine multiple Word documents into one single Word document. Right, let's get cracking. I'm just going to open up Microsoft Word here, make it full screen, and I'm just going to open up 3 documents just to show you what's in them. These are the 3 that I want to combine into one single document. Now you're probably thinking, he's just going to copy and paste it into the single document, and I'm not. So I'm going to open these 3 documents here, click on open. So I've now got these 3 documents open. You can see here at the bottom, I want to combine all of this text and pictures into one document. So go to the top, click on new, click on create a blank document. Then on the top menu bar, select Insert, then select Object and select Text from File. Click on that, then select the Word documents that you want to combine. Hold down the Control key on the keyboard and then use your mouse and then select all the Word documents that you want to import. Then click on Insert, and there we go. It's inserted all of those 3 Word documents into one single Word document. Absolutely fabulous. That's a really handy tip if you're doing lots of bulk editing. Time for that brew. And now it's time for a lovely cup of tea. If you found that video useful, please subscribe by pressing this button down here so you don't miss more videos on how to save you time and money. There's also some other videos around the edges of the screen here. If any of those are useful to you, then you can select those now. Thank you for visiting my channel, everyone. I really appreciate it.